Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you are healthy and fine. Hope you enjoyed 3 days holidays. Let's back to studies. In English literature, we will do our chapter number 1. That is the little plant. The little plant exercise already we have chapter explanation already we have done. So let's do our exercise to recall the chapter again. Comprehension, page number 2. Write T for true or F for false in the boxes. A tiny plant lay fast asleep in the grass. That is false. He asleep in the ground. Okay. A seed needs sunshine and rain to grow. True. The raindrops are shining. True. The little plant rose to see the cloud in the sky. No, he used to see the world when he opens his little plant rose to see the cloud in the sky. We look at the wonderful whole world, not the sky itself. The little plant heard the words in the wonderful world. False. Answer the following question. What is the title of the poem? The title of the poem is The Little Plant. You have to write in inverted comma. What is the name of the poet? The name of the poet is Kate Louise Brown. Here it is written poet name. Next, vocabulary. Find the past form of the following verbs in the poem. Then write them in B. Number A, 1. Rise, rose. You have to write the past. Bury, buried. Say, said. Hear, heard. Lie, lied. May, might. Okay. Page number 3. Match the words in column A with the opposite in the column B. Then write the correct opposite in front of each words in column B. Here column A is written. You have to match the column B and write in side of column A. Inside, outside, awake, asleep, dull, bright, light, dark, tiny, huge. Now let us see a grammar. Grammar, you already know noun. What is noun? Any name, place, animal, thing is called noun. And what is common noun? Which has not specified. Right? Person, boy, teacher, mother. Thing, car, animals, lion, places. All the above words is common because it can be written in small letter. And it is common. Why it is common? It is called common because no specify. किसी का नाम या जगह एनिमल का नाम ऐसा लेके नहीं बोला है, इसीलिए वो कॉमन है. राइट? Choose number C1. Choose words from the box and write them on page 4. Underline the correct heading. ये सारे वर्ड्स आपको दिए हैं एंड नेक्स्ट पेज में आपको पर्सन, थिंग एंड एनिमल दिया. तो आपको लिखना है कौन सा पर्सन है एंड किसमें वो आता है. फर्स्ट में मैंने लिया पर्सन में अंकल, शॉपकीपर, फ्रेंड, ब्रदर. थिंग्स सैंडविच, टूथब्रश, कोम, एरोप्लेन. एनिमल टाइगर, हैंड, बटरफ्लाई, फिश. Place, school, street, forest, zoo. Then C2. Underline the common noun in the following sentence. Common है, जिसे एक बार में specify नहीं बोला. The peacock is dancing in the field. Underline peacock and field. Number 2. My grandmother tells us a story every evening. Here common is grandmother and story. You have to underline the common noun. A. Bee makes honey. Bee and honey. 4. Her uncle is a doctor. Uncle and doctor. Number 5. The bus is standing at the corner of the street. Bus and street. 6. Our house has 5 rooms, 10 windows and 6 doors. House, rooms, windows and doors. You have to underline it. Then प्रॉपर सीक्वल, आपको प्रॉपर सीक्वल में करना है, जैसे आपको अरेंज करना है वर्ड्स. ओके, जैसे फर्स्ट हेमंत ब्रश हिज टीथ. नेक्स्ट, ही हैड अ बाथ. देन ही पुट ऑन हिज स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म एंड हिज शूज. फाइनली ही combed his hair. So here first, next, then, final tells us about sequel of Hemant's actions. पहले like आप you wake up at the morning, first you do brush, then you take bath, then you dress up yourself, then you come to school. Okay, like that. Here read the following jumbled sentences. Rewrite them using first, next, then, final. These sentences are given, you have to write like this: first, next, then, finally. Okay, so let us read number 1. I will dry them with a towel. I will sit at table for lunch. I will wash my hands with soap and water. I will open my napkin and put it on my lap. The firstly we will do wash my hand. I will wash my hands with soap and water. Next, what we'll do? I will dry them with a towel. Then I will open my napkin and put it on my lap. Finally, I will sit at table for lunch. This is a sequel of a boy. So what you'll do before you take your meal? Next, listening and speak. Each of the following sets have rhyming words. They have the same sound at the end of the words. Say the words after your teacher, like king, ring, wing, flip, fame, same, game, blame. The last word are rhymes. The last word are same. So it's called rhyming words. Fly, tie, sign, cry. Chair, mare, care, may, or. It's called mayor. These are called rhyming words. Sound and spelling. साइलेंस ई, जिसे साइलेंट होता है ई. कुछ वर्ड्स में लाइक आवर हम बोलते हैं आर. एच इज साइलेंट होता है. In some words, a letter or some letter are silent. In the following words, he is silent. Game, prize, hope, dove, noise, right, face, game, prize, hope, dove, noise, right, face, can, lace, kite, fears. Read the little plant again. Write 6 words which end with the silent E. So I found 6 words. If you found another 6 words or you replace it, you can write here. Sunshine, little, outside, voice, rose and E. All are ending with E letters, right? So I hope you will complete this exercise and in the textbook. Okay? Thank you everyone.